Penology, an essential branch of criminology that focuses on the study of punishment for crimes and how society handles offenders. Today, we'll explore what penology and its key areas and how it functions in the real world. Penology is the study of punishment, specifically how we respond to crime and manage offenders. It examines not only the effectiveness of punishment, but also its broader impact on individuals and society. Essentially, it seeks answers to questions like, why do we punish? How should punishment be carried out? And what can we do to prevent reoffending or offending it? Penology is grounded in several key theories of punishment. First is retribution. This focuses on moral justice where punishment serves as payback for the crime. Second is deterrence. This theory aims to discourage the offender and society from committing future crimes. Last is rehabilitation. Here, the goal is to reform offenders and help them reintegrate into society. Penology covers a wide range of topics including correctional institution, studying the management and reform of prisons, jails, and detention centers. Alternatives to incarceration, exploring probation, parole, and community service as methods to reduce prison population. Third is rehabilitation and reintegration, helping offenders transition back into society with education, job, training, and counseling. Last is policy and ethics. Punishment systems are fair, human, and effective. How does penology work? So how does penology function and practice? It involves four key or steps. Research. Studying crime patterns, recidivism, rates, and the effects of punishment. Second is policy development. Creating evidence-based recommendation for improving criminal justice system. Third is implementation. Applying these policies in prisons, courts, and community programs. Last is evaluation, regularly assessing whether these strategies are effective in reducing crime and rehabilitating offenders. Why is penology important? Penology plays a critical role in shaping a criminal justice system that is fair, efficient, and human. It helps reduce crime, protects society, and ensures that offenders are treated ethically. By focusing on rehabilitation and reintegration, penology aims to create a safer and more justice society for everyone.
In a general sense, the correction pillar often refers to a component of a nation's justice system that focuses on rehabilitating offenders, rather than solely punishing them, and ensuring human treatment in correctional facilities. The universal standard could refer to international human rights frameworks or other globally recognized guidelines, such as those established by the United Nations or the European Union, which advocate for the rights of prisoners and the rehabilitation of offenders. If a government is aligning its policies with these standards, it would mean implementing reforms that focus on rehabilitation, fair treatment, access to education and mental health support, reducing recidivism, and ensuring conditions in correctional facilities meet international human rights expectations. Government vary in their approach, and some may fall short in certain areas, such as overcrowding, use of excessive force, or lack of effective rehabilitation programs. Assessing whether a government is effectively pursuing these objectives would require a detailed evaluation of its policies, outcomes, and a compliance with international norms.